March 27, 1977, a normal Sunday. Two jumbo jets stood on the ground at a small island airport. Within a few hours, more than 500 families would never see their loved ones again. What went wrong that day? Was it bad weather, human ego, or just fate? Stay with me till the end, because this is not only the deadliest plane crash in history, but also a story that quietly protects every passenger flying today. Hello everyone, welcome to TimeQuanta channel, and today I will take you step by step inside the Tenerife Airport disaster. And trust me, you'll want to stay with me till the very last second. Now here's the twist. Neither of these flights was supposed to land here. They were heading to Gran Canaria, but a terrorist bomb forced the diversion. And that single diversion started a deadly chain reaction. Have you ever thought how a small delay, a single diversion, can completely change destiny? Imagine being a passenger. You look outside your window and see nothing but thick fog. The air smells heavy, the cabin feels tense, but you trust the crew. Because in that moment, your life is in their hands. Two of the best pilots in the world, yet both trapped in a deadly puzzle they didn't even know they were solving. KLM thought they had permission to take off. Pan Am was still taxiing on the same runway. And here's the terrifying part. Nobody could see each other in the fog, not the tower, not the pilots. Can you guess what happens when two 350-ton aircraft move toward each other at nearly 300 kilometers per h in zero visibility? In one blinding moment, the KLM jet's belly struck Pan Am's fuselage. A fireball exploded. Screams, flames, metal tearing apart. In seconds, silence fell. 583 lives gone. If you were on that plane, what would you do? Would you freeze in shock or run for your life through fire and smoke? So yes, every time you hear your pilot repeat instructions, every time co-pilots speak up in the cockpit, it is because of Tenerife. The Tenerife disaster was not just a crash. It was a reminder of how fragile human life is, how one misheard word can decide the fate of hundreds. But those 583 souls did not die in vain. Their tragedy rewrote aviation history, and it's the reason why you, me, and millions fly safely today. Friends, if this story touched you, please subscribe to TimeQuanta, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into history's most shocking events. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Stay safe and remember, the skies are safe today because of the tragedies of yesterday.